Hey, okay, so we let this go, that original mixture that we made when we rehydrated the grains, for 4 days now. I removed the cheesecloth, and usually, you know, when you're doing water kefir, you keep the water, obviously, but the first batch you don't, so you strain it and, make sure there's not. So there are all the grains. You're keeping these grains. Those are the rehydrated grains. I guess they're okay. They're supposed to look like kind of translucent, which they do, and a little fluffy. What do you think?
Can I see them?
Yeah, sure. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure I got all the.
I want that kefir. It's too dangerous when you do it without a dog.
It's too dangerous without an adult? I'm
Yeah.
good for that.
Sometimes I can hold it and it may fall.
Oh, good point, Jen.
Can I
Good
see one?
point. Yeah, see? These are the grains. The rehydrated
see
ones.
one?
See? Okay, so I'll put this back in there.
They look like in the water.
Well, they did kind of, right, you're right, they did it first, and now, okay, now we made sugar water. So I just went ahead and took some spring water and put 1/4 of a cup of organic cane sugar in here. I heated the water so that it would dissolve better. And then, if I read the directions right, okay. Yeah, right? That's what I do? Okay, let's hope so. This is the sugar water that they'll now feed off of. Wait, hon. Oh, okay. That's gracious. And then this is some spring water, and it says like 2.5 to 3.5 cups, because we probably put like 1 cup in there already. So let's just kind of.
I'm one here.
Yeah. 3. Does that look right? How many cups do you think that is?
Yeah, it's like 1 second per cup, right?
This is why I should probably use measuring
There's
utensils.
one more.
That looks like 3 to 4 cups.
Yeah?
Do you think,
Yeah, I
guys?
think you need some more in there.
You know? Okay.
Yeah, one there.
Alright, that's good.
4 cups is 32 ounces. That's a 1/4 gallon.
Oh, this thing is deceiving. I realized that when I actually did measure one time.
Looks good.
Okay. All right, and then I think that's it. So now we cover it with our cheesecloth again, and it says, okay, warm spot for 24 to 48 hours, and then we'll actually have our first batch. So once we have that, and we figure out what to do with that, if we're gonna flavor it or whatnot, we'll let you know. All right.